Hello everyone! Today, I will be sharing with you a platform that can help you in conducting student-based formative assessments in a fun and engaging way for students of all ages. This website is called QUIZIZ. As you can see, there are lots of available quizzes in this platform that can cater different subjects such as mathematics, English and language arts, of course, social studies, world languages, science, and many more other subjects. And when we click a certain quiz, like for example, let's try to click these Latin American government, we can see who made the quiz. It was made by Alicia Henderson. How many items it has. So it has 10 questions. And the grade level it was intended for, which is for 6th grade. Of course, this is contextualized to the curriculum of United States of America. And then the difficulty level, so which is medium. So here are the sample questions. So now let's try to answer a quiz for us to see how exciting and fun this platform is. Let's try to answer this quiz about Mesopotamian society and contributions. So let's click reattempt since I explored this a while ago. Okay, so here's the question. And it has a timer. It's what you can see here up. So the question is, which of the following facts serves as evidence that the Mesopotamians were polytheists? So it is this one. I'm hoping that I'll get the correct answer. Yes, it's the correct answer. So it's fun because it has memes. And here, real time, you can see your score or your progress. The next question, who was the ancient Babylonian king who created the earliest known code of laws? Okay, so it's Hammurabi. So I forgot to turn on the music. It also has a music. What can be assumed from the fact that the ziggurat in the Mesopotamian... Okay. So let's try to answer this one. And let's see if it's correct. Yes, it is correct. Yes, as you can see, there are memes. Every question, every correct answer came from the gods. Yes, and there are additional points if you get 3 succeeding correct answers. So it's much more interactive and fun, and you can also see your score, how you progress throughout the whole quiz. Let's see if I get the correct answer. Yes. And now I rank first. Let's try to put wheel. I got additional 200 points because I already have 6 consecutive correct answers. So I'm now at item 7 over 13. Based on the question, it is dependent on the person's social status. Yes, so you can see I already have 6,200 points. Yes, and there are memes every time you got the correct answer. So double jeopardy. Let's try to click this one. It will double the points if a correct answer. And I got I got the wrong answer rather. And someone overtook my place being the ranked one. So which statement best describes slavery in ancient Mesopotamia? So from what I can remember, yes, you could become a slave in many different ways. And I can now get an eraser which will eliminate one wrong answer. So I'm at the rank 2 and let's try to activate this one so you can see what will happen. Okay, so Hammurabi's code established a set of standard punishments for crimes. On the rank 1 again. The famous Hammurabi's code. Yes, with 9,860 points. This is the last question, I think. How did calendars contribute to the growth? So, calendars helped farmers. Yes. So, I finished in the rank 1. Okay. So, this one. Oh, I got the wrong answer again. And it's the end. So, let's see what will happen if I finish a quiz. So, as you can see, it's calculating. I got an accuracy level of 92%. I ranked 2 over the 24 students who answered. And I got the total score of 10,730. And here are my performance stats. And what's fun and helpful in this website is that you can see the questions, you can review the questions, and you can also review your answers. And at the same time, the red line here means this is the question that I got it wrong. I answered it wrong. And the green ones are those that I answered correctly. So I can review the questions and my answers, and I can also see my statistics, how did I perform, and I can see my overall performance, my accuracy rate. So this is QUIZIZ, an interactive way of conducting student-based formative assessments.